This video is only for education purpose. Don't purchase any product without making proper research. Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we are going to review like free singer swing machine giveaway. So this is a giveaway in today's time. Hundreds and you can say lots of advertisement is available on, you can say, Facebook and Instagram, and maybe you have seen any kind of advertisement on, you can say, Instagram or Facebook, and you want to know is this giveaway is real or it's a totally fake giveaway. So my dear friends, I want to tell you like Singer is a most popular brand and they are very special, or you can say they have a specialty in making swing machines, and in the name of Singers, and many scammers are trying to steal your money, and you need to be very careful when you see any kind of advertisement related to giveaways and all. You need to keep in mind that the, you can say, link, the domain link. So you know the domain link. What is the domain link? The domain link I will show you like online notepad. You can see this kind of is a, this is a domain, like this kind of is related to domains. This is the official website like shop.singerindia.com. This is for Indians, and they have also a singer.com website, and you need to keep in your mind where you are going to clicking on links. Okay, so these scammers are trying to steal your money by making fake links and all. So don't be fool and be a smart person and don't click on any links, and this is all a scam of giveaway. Okay my dear friends, if you are facing any issue you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye and thank you so much.